Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you my morning routine in collaboration with Teamy, which is a brand that focuses on helping us live happier, healthier lifestyles. I usually drink smoothies for breakfast, so today I'll be using Teamy's green superfood blend with this cute pink tumbler. Check out my affiliate link in the description box below, and you could save 20% by using my code Kimberlyn20. Now let's jump straight into my morning routine. Good morning, you guys. To start off my day, I'm either up on weekends at 10 or 11, and on weekdays I have work, so anywhere between 6:30 and 7 a.m. First thing I do is get on my phone and check any notifications that I may have missed the few hours that I have been sleeping. It isn't that good of a thing to do. They say you're not supposed to play on your phone early in the morning. I don't know why, but that is what I do. Next thing I do is roll out of bed and I head to the bathroom to brush my teeth, wash my face, and start getting ready for the day. I always like to start off my morning with some music, and today I'm listening to the song Ballin', which I've been obsessed with. Since I'm natural, I sleep with my hair up in a pineapple. This is actually an old twist out. That's why it looks so crazy. So I gotta fluff it out and take it out of my face in order to wash my face. After my hair is pulled out of my face, it's time to brush my teeth, and I use Ultra Bright from Walmart. I've actually been using this since I was a little kid, so it's just my go-to. Then I like to wash my face. My two faves right now are the Noxzema Classic Clean Face Wash and Skin & Co's Face Gamage, but today I went with my Noxzema. I like to use a generous amount of this. It's extremely gentle. It doesn't even lather. I work it into my skin in circular motions while my face is wet, and then I rinse it off with cold water. And I choose to rinse off my face washes with cold water because I feel like it closes and minimizes the looks of my pores. Now it's time for moisturizer. You guys may think I'm crazy for this, but I have ditched all products that have SPF in them. For some reason, I can't find a formula that doesn't make me break out. So I've been using the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask as a moisturizer for the day. It's super hydrating, it's gentle, it doesn't have a strong smell, and it's so gentle that I can actually use it as an eye cream also. Then I follow that up with some Vaseline, another classic. I will go the whole day just with Vaseline on my lips versus wearing lip gloss if I don't have to. After using all my facial products, I like to move on to my brows. I do not fill them in. I've said that multiple times. I usually just wear my natural brows, so I get my little spoolie and I just brush them into place, and then I move on to my edges. I have been obsessed with the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Edge Control. It is one of my new faves. A lot of people say it doesn't have a lot of hold, which it doesn't, but before I was just using water on my edges, so this has enough hold for me. And with this, I just use one of these little edge brushes or a toothbrush. I use either or, whichever one I grab first. And I just brush my edges into place, and I don't forget my sideburns. I don't plan on doing my hair until later on tonight, so I am taking this old twist out and I'm pulling it back up into a pineapple, and I'm going to show you guys a cheat hairstyle. You don't have to just sleep with pineapples in your hair. You can actually wear them as an everyday hairstyle. So I'm taking my hair and pulling it all the way up to the front of my head and putting it up into a loose ponytail, also known as a pineapple. And then I'm going to get a satin scarf and wrap that around the back of my head so it actually looks like a cute updo. Now moving right along to breakfast. As I said before, I am trying out the new Teamy Green Superfood Blend with their cute little tumbler bottle. This bottle is actually really cool because it comes with this little strainer in it, so if you guys like to drink tea or coffee, it'll catch all the tea leaves so that you don't end up drinking those. There's also a little compartment at the bottom which you can store extra tea if you'd like to. For my smoothie today, I am having this recipe that I threw together myself. So this is just some frozen fruit, pineapples, mangoes, and strawberries. I'm using about, I'd say, a cup and a half. And I'm gonna use a generous amount of spinach. I love spinach, you guys. If you guys don't love spinach, I don't know. I guess you're not a Popeyes fan or something. Soy milk, because that's the only milk that I drink, and it's a good source of protein. Then I follow up with the Teamy Green Superfood Blend. This one has matcha, spirulina, and wheatgrass in it, which aid as natural energy boosters, bettering your immune system, and they're also good for brain function. And I add a little bit of raw organic honey for some sweetness. It was a little bit too thick, so I added some more soy milk, plus I stole a taste just to see if I was going to end up drinking it with this green superfood blend in it. And you guys, it tastes just like a matcha latte. If you like matcha, you're going to love this. Another neat thing about this bottle is that the inside is actually removable, so it's easier to wash it in either the dishwasher or the sink. You don't have to throw the whole thing in there if you don't need to. So I'm going to be taking my smoothie to go. I'm usually eating on the go because sometimes I take too long in the mornings or I'm waking up 10 minutes late. The smoothie tastes fire. The ingredients work together really well, and since I added spinach, it has that earthy taste. So if you guys like that taste, this smoothie would be right up your alley. Moving right along, after I've had some breakfast, I like to go and make my bed. I like to make my bed before I go pick out an outfit for the day, and my husband usually helps me make it if he doesn't have work early in the morning that day. After making my bed, I head on to my closet and I pick out an outfit for the day. On this day, it was the weekend and I actually wasn't planning on going out, so I just picked out a little sweatsuit set that I got from Aeropostale and a pair of comfortable sandals. And that concludes my morning routine video. Thanks so much for watching, and another big thanks to Teamy for collaborating with me for this video. You can check out my affiliate link in the description box below and save 20% on your purchase by using my code Kimberlyn20. See you guys in my next video.